let's read what we have. Line A is 1 centimeter shorter than line B. Do we know what line A length is right now?
7.
Not yet, right? When we read it, we don't know yet. Line B is 8 centimeter, right? So do we know the length of it?
Yes.
Yes, we do know because it just tells us already, right? That is 7. Where is the... okay. I don't know where my pencil is. Oh, right here. Okay.
Make
so
it
we
red,
know...
red.
Hold on. We know line B is 8 centimeter, right? We know that. So now that we know line B, we can calculate line A, right? When it says shorter than or longer than, that means A.
Yeah, 8 is 7 centimeters shorter than B.
So we know line A is shorter than. So we're going to draw shorter than.
7. 7.
Yes, so we already talked about it. So you already know it's 7 centimeter, but you have to figure it out later, okay?
Yeah.
Now we know line C is 3 centimeter longer than line A. So should we draw the line longer or shorter?
Longer.
Right, so let's say this is the start. This is going to be longer than line A, right?
Yes.
Do we know if it's longer or shorter than line B?
No.
Not yet. So let's calculate it. Line C is 3 centimeter longer than line A, which makes it how long?
3. 11.
Not 11.
10.
10, right. Because what we do...
I always said.
Yeah, because how we find that out is
it
we first...
Is it 13 minus 3 is it 10?
13 minus 3 is 10, yes, but let's focus on this one right now. Line A, we know that line C is longer than line A. That means we have to draw line A first, which is 7 centimeter, correct?
Correct.
And then how many more centimeter do we need to draw? How many more centimeter do we have to draw?
3.
3 more centimeter, right?
That was 10.
Which means, yeah, line C is
That was easy.
10 centimeter, right?
Mommy always
10 centimeter.
can multiply to
10 centimeter total, no multiplication in here. Okay, so now we have our information, right? So line A we know is how many centimeter?
7.
Line B is
8.
and line C is
10.
correct.
They're correct.
So now do we need these information anymore? We already
No.
calculate them, so we don't care about them anymore. We're
I
gonna
don't
use
care.
we're gonna
I
use
don't
these
care.
information right here. Correct?
Correct.
So now,
Can I do this?
not yet. So now we're gonna do this. Line A is blank centimeter shorter or longer than line C. So okay, so we know the first thing is line A is shorter than line C.
I want to do that.
Okay, I'll let you do that.
I
So
want
line
to do
A,
it, Mommy.
hold on. So line A is shorter than line C by how much?
By 7 centimeters.
By 7 centimeter?
Yes.
How long is line A?
1.
How long is line A?
7.
7 centimeter. How long is line C?
10.
10 centimeter. So how short is it? How much shorter is it?
3.
Huh?
3.
3 centimeter.
I want to do it.
And how we do that, we are comparing. So when we compare, what do we do? First, When we compare, what do?
I forgot.
We draw a tape diagram.
I can be more than
When we compare, we do
I
a...
don't want to draw
Hold
it.
on, Novus. When we compare, we draw a tape diagram. So we are comparing which two lines?
3, 2, A,
A and
C.
C. Hold on, Novus. No. When we circle, Mommy will let you. Right now, Mommy have to write. So line A is how long again?
7.
7 centimeters. So we know right here 7. So in this box right here,
7.
7 too. At this point, A and C are the same. Okay? Now C we know is how much total?
That easy. 10.
10. We know C is 10. This is our total. So to find the missing part, the shorter than or longer than,
3.
we take the total, which is 10.
10
We
minus
minus-
7 equals 3.
Right, we minus this part and we get 3 centimeter.
That was easy.
Correct?
Right.
Okay, so now the next part. So Novus, if you can circle this thing red from Mommy.
Mommy, I want
Line
to
A
circle.
plus C.
Mommy, I want to do it too.
Okay. Right here. No. Not like that.
I want to
Circle.
circle. I know.
Not yet. You can do the next one. Line A plus C. This whole thing right here. No. I'm gonna do it for you and then you follow it. Let go. Line A plus C. Okay? So do that.
A plus.
Do we know the length of A plus C yet?
No.
No. So now we have to figure it out. So line A plus C. A is how much?
7. Yeah, 7.
Yeah. So A is 7 centimeter. And C is what? C is how long?
C is 10.
C is 10 centimeter. So A plus C is how much?
10.
So A plus C is how much?
A is 7 and the C is 10.
Yeah.
So that must be 17.
Right. So A plus C is 17 centimeter. Correct?
Correct.
So is that longer or shorter than line B? B is how long?
8.
Yeah, B is 8 centimeter. So is A plus C shorter or longer than B?
Longer.
Right. So Novus, can you circle longer?
No, I want to
Oh, right. Trinity's turn to circle.
The next one, it will be 9. I want red.
You want red?
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead.
I want green.
Okay. Wait, we need to switch to pen. Pen mode. Go ahead. Uh-oh. I think you close it. Okay, I'm gonna write from now on. Okay?
How about circle?
No, I'm gonna circle it too.
But why do you have no circle?
Now everything is messed up. Because he did not close it. You close it. Longer. So now we know.
That's because I need you to start red first.
No, so line A plus C is 17 and line B is 8 centimeter. So it's longer. A plus C is longer than line B, but by how much? How do we do that? We are doing what?
We are adding.
No, we are comparing. We are comparing two things. So when we compare two things, what diagram do we use?
A tape.
A tape diagram, correct. So now we're gonna draw a tape diagram. And what are we comparing?
A and C.
Line A and C that's the longer line. So we're gonna put it here. Line A and C, and we're comparing it to line
B.
Line B. We know line B is
8
centimeters. So we're gonna put, and this part is where they both are the same. So we know this is 8 also. Do we know the full length of lines A plus C?
No.
Yes, we do. Look at what you know.
Yeah, we do.
Line A plus C is how long?
17 centimeters.
Yes, so we know it's 17 total. So now we have the total, we have part 1, and we have part 2 unknown. So we can, what number sentence do we write to find out this missing part in red?
17 minus 8.
Equal this missing part, correct?
Right.
And what is the answer? 17 minus 8 is what?
I think we should bubble.
Huh?
We should
No,
bubble.
this is just a fact. 17 minus 8.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 9.
Right. So 17 minus 8 is 9 centimeter. So how much, line A plus C is how much longer than line B?
You said 1 minus 0. That 1.
No. If you borrow, it's just going to be the same as 17 minus 8. That's 9 centimeter. Okay?
When will we be done?
We're almost done. So line A plus C is how much longer than line B?
17. And then C, 9 centimeters.
Yes, 9 centimeter longer than line B.
Wait. Yeah.
Now we go line C double. So Novus, circle, you want it green. Circle line C double. Do we know what line C double is? How do we figure that out? Good job.
He took a line A double A.
It's okay. Let's do line C double. So what is line C double? We can start erasing so that it doesn't get too messy.
Yeah. Second, okay, too messy.
Okay, so now, Trinity.
Yes.
So what is line C double? How do we know what line C double is? At what? How long is line C?
10.
10 centimeters. So double is what?
20 centimeters.
C is 10. So C double, that means C times 2, is 20 centimeter.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So is it longer or shorter than line B?
Longer.
Right, it's longer. How much longer? How much longer? How do we...
10 more.
So to find out longer or shorter, what are we doing? Comparing. So we need to do a what? What diagram? Tape diagram.
Mommy, I thought we can also do a multiplication again because it's double.
We already did that. We double it right here. So we're comparing against what?
Line B.
Line B and line
A.
No.
Line C.
C what?
Line C.
C double.
C double.
Okay? So line B is how much?
8.
8 centimeter. So it's the same here. And the total length of it is what?
We don't know.
Yes, we do. We know C and we know C double. What's C
20.
double? Yes. So 20 is the total.
I got you I can double.
No, that's the more part. We don't know that yet. So now, what number sentence do we do to find the more part? What number sentence do we do
20 minus 8.
20 minus 8, okay? And this one, we can borrow because now it's in the 20s.
2 and 1.
2 become 1.
And 0 become 20.
No, 0 become 10.
So 10 minus 8 equals 2.
Uh-huh.
And 1 minus 0 equals 1. It's 12 centimeters.
Right, so the more part is 12 centimeters more.
Mommy, I know the more part actually. I know that it was 12 centimeters actually.
Okay, so we know that this is 12 centimeter longer than line B. Now similarly, right, we're gonna start erasing. We're gonna start erasing the rest
How many more minutes until we're done?
until we're done with all these parts.
How much?
A while.
No, that's so long.
I know.
I told you.
No, because you keep on getting these wrong, so we have to practice a lot of it.
I told you.
Not yet. 2 more. See, this one and this one. You're getting the hang of it now. So now we'll do this. Line A double. So tell me what I should do, Trinity.
You should add.
First, tell me what you know about it.
I know line A double is 7.
No, you know line A is 7 centimeter, correct?
But 1 more 7 equals 14.
Right, so line A double
And 14.
is 14 centimeter, correct. Now what?
Now,
What do I do next?
now you should go longer.
Longer, right? So line A double is longer than line B because line B is how long?
8.
8 centimeter, correct. So now, what do I do next?
1 more. I know. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 6.
6, so you
Line
count
A double is 6 centimeters longer than line B.
Okay, so that's a different way that you did it, right? Instead of doing a tape diagram, you know that B is 8 centimeters, so you count up
with my hands.
to 14. That's another way of doing it, right?
That's another way of doing it faster.
Yeah, faster. So now,
according to my calculation, I call doing actual actually.
okay, but you should try to understand the diagram in your mind so that when you find
I don't
similar,
want to do a tape. I don't want to count up.
you can, but you should understand how a tape diagram works also.
I already know how tape diagram work.
Okay, so now the next part, okay? It is line B double.
One more.
So what do we do?
One more.
Yes, one more, go. Tell me what you know, Trinity.
I know line B
Line B is
8.
8 centimeter, correct?
What? I know line A.
Not yet. Line B double. So how much is B double?
8 and 8.
B double is how long?
8
8 what?
and 8.
And 8. 8 plus 8 is what?
13.
16 centimeter. Correct.
Right.
So line B double is longer or shorter than line C double?
Younger.
Do you know what line C double is?
Yes.
What is C double?
Line C double. Line C double. 7. Line C double and 3.
Not
3.
3. How long is line C?
10.
10.
C double is 10.
10 and 10 is
20.
20 centimeter.
Double is
So then you have to calculate this, right? So
Right.
that's what we did right here. So line B double and line C double. B double is shorter or longer than line C double. Yes. See, if you don't calculate it, you won't know. So shorter than line C double by how much?
by 13 centimeter.
No, B double is 16 centimeter. C double is 20 centimeter. So B double is how much shorter than C double?
8.
How do you get that, Trinity?
13.
16 what?
13 centimeter.
I don't understand how you calculated it. How did you calculate it?
In my head.
How?
I don't know how.
Then we have to do a tape diagram. This is what I'm trying to tell you. You have to know why you're doing math. You don't just say, I'm adding or subtracting or multiplying. No, it doesn't work. You have to know what you're trying to do. So we are comparing. So what diagram do we use?
A tape.
A tape diagram looks like this. What are we comparing against?
Line B.
B double and
C double.
C double. So show me where I should write stuff. This one is what?
That one is 16.
16. What line is it called? We have to label it first.
16. B.
It's not B.
A on B.
No, 16 is B what?
B double.
Yes, B double. So BD. So what do I label down here?
C double.
C double, CD. Now, this is 16, so here is also
30.
because at this point, both of them are the same, right? So C double total is how much?
20.
20. So we're trying to find the more part. So from 16,
17, 18, 19, 20, and 4.
right, so you can count from 16 up to 20, which is 4 centimeter. If you're going to write a number sentence, what number sentence are you going to write?
20 minus 17 equals 4 centimeter.
Right. So that is how you calculate.
But I can't.
So line,
I
hold on.
always
Line B double is how much shorter than line C double?
I need to see it.
No, you try to remember it.
4 centimeters shorter.
Correct. It's 4 centimeters shorter. And because today we do it so late, we're not going to check your work. But when you do math, you always do what?
Tell you what.
Correct.